First warning weather with meteorologist Tommy House.
So today we stayed entirely below freezing. We started off with some freezing rain and more of a sleet wintry mix. It was a record low 19 degrees in Austin. The previous record was 20. Sunset coming up at 6:02. Still seeing a few pockets of some flurries up in northern Texas, down in parts of the hill country moving east. So you may see a flake or two before the day wraps up, but no accumulation is expected. Our winter storm we had yesterday is stretching through the entirety of the East Coast. So heavy snow, feet in parts of the Northeast, New England, an ice storm down toward the Carolinas and D.C., and then severe weather down in the deep South in Georgia. So just showing up to almost 2,000 miles of precipitation from that winter storm that we had just a few hours back. Our Austonian weather camera still frozen over. You can see some sort of sleet there on the rooftops, and this is how it looks. One of our tech stock cameras on 130. It's bare for the most part in those middle lanes, but still travel is not advised unless you got to be out. Even those off ramps, notice there's a lot of ice that's still being out and about and persistent, and with the cold temperatures it's going to be hard for that to melt away with not a lot of sunshine. Some, but not enough to have a widespread melt. So our computer model's not really picking up on the flurries, but any sort of flurry action should be gone right by around 7, 8 o'clock and then be clear out heading off into your Monday. Extreme cold warning, this is the big story. So widespread, that dark blue is where that warning is issued. Those temperatures in wind chill could drop down to the negatives at times. So here's the low temperature trend. I have 16 out the door tomorrow and also on Tuesday. So it's not just going to be for Monday, but also Tuesday, and even below freezing for lows, not highs, but for lows through the middle half of the week. So let's talk about these temperatures. Here's right around now as you work through the remainder of the afternoon, overnight into your Monday morning. We got those teens persisting through tomorrow afternoon. Some could get close to freezing, but out in the hill country, you're going to stay below it. So our winds are also going to be a bit of a factor here. Not as gusty as yesterday, but up to around 20 to 25 miles per hour. So you factor in the cold in the winds, the feels like temperatures, the wind chill through the day tonight into tomorrow. It's still going to be biting. So that is a hypothermia, potential for frostbite if you're outside without any sort of protection or layers of clothes for an extended period of time. So make sure that you're dressing safe and protecting those 4 Ps. That's people, pets, plants, and pipes. By Tuesday, it's going to be a little bit warmer, 50 degrees with some sunshine and clouds. By Wednesday, 52. Our rain chance fairly slim until Friday, when I just bumped it down to isolated showers that could turn to a wintry mix, although not a lot of confidence. It looks most likely like there's not enough energy and moisture for something. Very different situation from what we had yesterday. So your 7-day forecast, that dangerous cold air, we have some great in-depth explainers. Head over to KXAN.com/weather to read up on that, and make sure to download our KXAN First Warning Weather app.